there, little sprouts! Welcome to Veggie Voices, the coolest veggie party in town. I'm your veggie-tastic host, and today we're going to meet some incredible veggies that want to chat with you.
Greetings, little spuds. I'm Potato, the versatile veggie. From mashed to fries, I've got it all. I'm rich in potassium, which helps your muscles work like a charm. So, who's ready to join the potato parade?
Hey kiddos, I'm Tomato, the juicy juggler of flavors. I've got lycopene, a superhero nutrient that keeps your hearts happy and healthy. Add me to your plate and we'll create a taste explosion together.
Hello, tiny friends. I'm P, the peppy powerhouse. Packed with protein, I'm here to make your muscles mighty and strong. Ready to join the Peppy Peas performance? Let's get moving!
Hey kids, I'm Mr. Carrot, your crunchy orange buddy. I'm not just a tasty snack. I'm loaded with vitamin A, which keeps your eyes sparkling bright. Munch on me, and you'll see like a superhero.
Hello, young explorers. I'm Ms. Broccoli, the green machine. I'm packed with vitamins and fibre, making me a superhero for your bones and digestion. Eat me, and you'll grow strong and tall.
Hey dudes and dudettes, I'm the cool cucumber, the hydrating hero. Need a chill snack? That's me. I keep you cool, refreshed, and ready for action. So, who's up for some cucumber coolness?
Hello, little artists. I'm the radiant red bell pepper, bursting with color and goodness. I'm loaded with vitamin C, the superhero nutrient that keeps your skin glowing. Let's add a splash of color to your plate together.
Greetings, tiny adventurers. I'm Spinach, the leafy legend. Packed with iron, I'll give you the strength to conquer any quest. Join me in the spinach spectacle, and let's become strong, fearless heroes together.
Hey there, little pumpkins. I'm the Jolly Orange Pumpkin, your fall favourite. Packed with vitamins and fibre, I'll keep you feeling full of energy. Let's have a jolly good time together and embrace the pumpkin power.
Awesome, little learners. We've had a blast hanging out with our veggie pals today. Remember, veggies are not just delicious. They're your health buddies, too. Stay tuned for more Veggie Voices adventures. And until next time, keep crunching and munching those colorful veggies. Bye-bye!